I can't get these people out of the back of my truck.
This is our sidekicks. We are heading into Yuma. Every time we come into this area, we always go to a restaurant called Eats. We usually have Aja with us and Jeff with us, but they've already gone twice this week, so they are not going with us. But we have Chuck and Jennifer in front of us, right?
Yes.
Is that it?
Yeah.
That's it. We're all going to meet over at Eats. It's our Chinese buffet that we love. We tried to get Sal and Sharon to go with us, but they are heading to Quartzsite, so they are not going to be able to go, which I'm sure breaks Sal's heart because he loves a good buffet.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so that's where we're going today. I don't know what else we're going to do. Don't know if we'll find anything else fun to do, but if we do, we'll take you with us.
Well, what was fun was running out of propane at 6 o'clock in the morning when I thought I had a whole nother tank that was full. And Terry said, well, you used that one last week.
He
And I was
doesn't
like,
listen very well sometimes.
no, I don't. And I said, no, that's a full one. Well,
Yeah.
it got chilly this morning.
Yep, so we've got to go. They had a freeze warning last night, and of course, we ran out of propane. It wasn't too bad, though. I have a little electric blanket that I can plug in, and it works great, so. And we came out of our camping area through Senator Wash here, and we ran into a subscriber, Brian, and his wife's name is Mary, or partner, I'm not really sure. And we are going to probably go over this evening when we get back and go visit with them. So we will introduce you guys to a couple subscribers. And
we might start it, you know what? With them, we might start a new welcome thing.
oh yeah, don't tell them. Shh. Oh, quiet.
Damn it.
It's a secret.
Secret.
It's a surprise.
Looks like the Border Patrol people are having another meeting again.
Where?
Where at?
Is this a Border Patrol guy?
No.
2 just went by.
When we were down at the lake yesterday, Border Patrol came in. I think there was like 6 of them. And they had a little meeting on the beach. So, all right. My arm's falling off. Scott, are you done?
I'm going to stop here at the Y because I think we need directions to which way to
All
go
right.
to where we're going.
Goodbye.
Because I think it's quicker that way.
So there's 2 ways to get to Yuma from Senator Wash, and this is probably our least favorite way to go just because it's so windy. But we decided to take a different route today.
6 miles shorter, they say.
Yeah,
And prettier.
it is a little prettier than getting on the highway. But Eats, the restaurant we're going to, is at the other end of, it's kind of in the middle of Yuma, isn't it? Kind of, I think.
No, it's right
Or-
below.
Oh, below. Okay. All right. And hopefully we're all on the same time zone. Because my clock is like skipped over to California. So that's an issue you
hate it
have
when
out
that
here.
happens.
I know, it is quite an issue. And sorry about the dirty window, you guys. There's just nothing I can do about it. It's just dusty where we're at. So, there you
Well, I
go.
did squeegee the windows. They look a little better from all the dew this morning.
It was pretty bad. This is how they fix their road.
Yeah,
At least it's black.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Lights down.
they throw it over and then they just wait for you to drive over it.
Oh,
Yeah.
goodness.
The tamper don't work today.
Yeah,
Hey, at least they're doing it because
Maybe the tamper's
this
it
road.
takes gasoline. It's expensive. I've been here before on that one. Yeah.
Yeah, but if you guys remember how bad that road going in to Senator's Wash was, you know,
Yeah.
the road part,
Yeah.
it's so much
I
better.
hope they go up there. There's a couple of deep.
Yeah, there are a couple, but it's not as bad as it used to be.
Yeah.
I was dreading that drive in.
They're like, we're not going to whip out the plate compactor. We'll just let people drive over it. This advertisement is brought to you by the windshield repair company in Yuma. They didn't even tennis shoe compact it.
Well, if there was more traffic, we wouldn't even know.
We'd have broken windshields. Oh, my Tortuga up there. He's going to keep me going.
Well, they're picking lettuce today, I think.
What are those nuts?
I think that's lettuce or
The
spinach.
dates. Those are dates.
Oh, I have no idea.
Yeah, date trees.
Aren't these all dates up here? Date palms?
Yep, palm dates, date palms.
You gotta get date shake.
Date shake.
I don't think you'll like it.
I don't think so.
It's super sweet.
It's very sweet.
And it's
Because
got
just
little-
one date is really sweet.
It's got little things in it.
Yeah.
Seeds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the babies they planted in between.
Oh, yeah.
That's because they know the other ones are going down.
One of these days we need to come here and see what this is all about. It's called the Cloud Museum.
Oh, okay.
Oh, they got fresh fruit.
Yeah, that's what
Oh, here's the Berryman Farm State shop. Oh, they're closed. It's no shakes for you, Donnie. Hey, are we going the right way, Colleen?
Yeah.
You're in charge of the directions.
If I remember right, it comes to a dead end, and I do have to take a left.
Laugh.
Yeah, looks
You
like they
park
are.
in the dirt.
Well, but it looks like they are letting you stay now.
Yeah. Oh, this is the cool bridge that you get to
Yeah, this is kind of a neat place to come down and walk around.
Have you been to the prison, Donnie?
not lately.
Okay, but you've been there before.
No.
Okay.
So down here, there used to be. Well, there's the old bridge. The rail. Oh no, that's the railroad. But remember, they used to have a barge that went across this river. Until they. Oh gosh, the road is so bumpy.
Paradise
Seriously. Paradise. That's right. Paradise Casino.
It's pretty, huh?
One-lane bridge. I think that's what Chuck's talking about, the new park down here.
It's where the train is.
Gila Street.
But I think he can come up
That's
this
the water
far.
treatment.
That's look at that thing right there.
Yeah, it's a sewer plant. Oh,
No,
that-
no, no, the old thing
Yeah.
that goes on the.
Yeah, that's how the pickers pick the
Oh,
fruit.
wow.
Turn left.
Hotel San Carlos.
In a quarter of a mile, turn left.
Too many left turn, lady, and I'll be back home.
I think this is like historic downtown Yuma, isn't it? Yep, historic Yuma.
What this road is? What is this road?
I don't know. It
The right
seems
way?
like we should have come this way.
Yeah.
Well,
That
it's
would
because we
make
didn't
sense
get
to me.
Oh, look at all the birds.
Oh, they don't care.
They're like, whatever. What? Oh, they're little quail. They're all quail.
They're doves.
They're quail.
they're
They have
quail.
little things on their heads.
Oh, look at them. Oh, those are rocks. Oh, there's a bird.
No, they're all sitting up
Big
there.
doves?
Some are doves
Quail.
and some were quails.
Nope, you couldn't have gotten to that road.
Looks like
No,
dead
I
end
don't.
right there.
Yeah.
That just seemed like a real roundabout way to get to
I know, it
eat.
did. Well, must be.
But it was nice because we got to see something new. I enjoy
Yeah, there you go.
taking different roads.
Because it's the butta's better.
The Buddha's
The
better.
butter is always better.
I'm looking.
Oh no, I think that's. It was
423 is Sellers.
423 for diesel.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right.
baby. I'm going there.
Have you guys ever gone here to the food truck place?
Have you ever had hepatitis?
No.
I'm kidding.
Well, at nighttime they're open and they've got all their lights out there. It's kind of a cute little area. But we've never stopped to eat there because we always go to Eats.
In half a mile, turn right.
To the right, to the right, to the right.
You know where you are now, right?
Yeah, half mile. Chuck's already here. Okay,
And
everybody's
there's
here.
David.
So we want to
Jen,
find the
and Chuck.
shade.
So regular is 306, Donnie, at that place.
Chuck's got the
So
shade, but I don't want him to mess with anything, so we'll...
Guess we're coming here.
Whoa! Okay, get in front of me there, buffet frickin' cruiser.
Oh, and Wally.
Our favorite restaurant in Yuma. You ready for some eats?
I can eat some treats.
I know. This is our favorite.
Everybody needs a dishwasher, though. That's a local sign I see around here.
Right
The
now.
hardest working person.
Cute. There's Dave and Jen. Scotty's already gotten his.
Shrimp in a scallop. Shrimp in a scallop. What is it?
Look at this broccoli.
I
Yum.
just had to stick the whole thing.
I'm getting
I'd have to
broccoli.
try that.
Are these
Yeah,
sweet?
like a-
Sweet potatoes, I think. Yum.
Yeah, yum.
Oh, and you know what? There's green beans too. Tempura.
Oh, I
I
see.
have to try those.
I didn't even see these the other day. See? Coming back is good.
Oh, it's so yummy. Then they do have Mongolian barbecue. I might do that. So you can get, you don't have to put meat in it. You might have some shrimp. Oh yeah, I can do shrimp. Yum.
Look at this roast pork.
Oh yeah.
Look how good that looks. The top one
Should
there.
have some. Oh, get that back in. That's probably the best. You want me to do it, David?
I could probably
Got it.
put my oh.
Oh,
I could probably put my
hot.
plate down. The hot stuff's
I'm
here.
not sure what this. I think that's chicken. This really is one of the best buffets in Yuma, at least that we have found. Our whole group comes here. We actually spent Thanksgiving one time. We came here for Thanksgiving dinner. I love this. Ooh, clams. Yum. Yeah, Dave's right. That really does look yummy. I think I got enough. Oh. These are yummy too. There's chicken in there, but I'm just going to get some mushrooms. So yummy. Oh, let's see what that is. Oh, that's chicken. I think I got enough for right now. I normally start with sushi, but I don't know. I went right for the... I saw that broccoli, and I thought, whoa, that's the best. Oh, you got clams.
You know how you empty a
yeah.
ressrestaurant?
Huh. That's just dust.
Oh, why'd you take my seat?
Here, I'll move over.
I can move.
Scotty's a lefty.
No, I'm
so-
fine.
No, I'll scoot over. Hang on.
These are scallop
Oh,
shells.
this.
That's could be a
Oh,
shrimp.
this is one of Audra's favorite right here. She loves this. It's imitation, but you know, it's okay. It's very
These are really good though.
And the clams are little gritty so far.
Uh-oh.
I don't mind it.
Well, you are eating seafood in Arizona.
Well, I'm not complaining.
I think we're all stuffed. Are you guys stuffed?
Yeah, pretty much.
Nope, I didn't overeat.
And then we had to go to Walmart. Donnie had to buy some pillows.
Of course I did.
No, we had to pick up a couple things. And Donnie did get... Can I see your little... Alright, so I have one of these. These are just small little electric blankets. I think they, draw one... Do you remember, Scotty, how much they draw?
Not very much. Amperage wise, I forget.
Yeah. Anyways, I plugged that into Well, I used to. Now that we have the solar and the battery banks, I don't have to plug it into a portable power bank. But that thing is nice. Pumpkin loves it. I love it. I'm gonna buy her own. She keeps stealing mine. Yeah. So it's gonna get down to 33 tonight, and then tomorrow it's gonna be 36. Donnie's gonna love his little electric blanket. Mama love mine too. So those are really nice. They're $23 at Walmart. So if you travel and you need something and you have maybe a way to plug it in like a portable power bank, a bigger one, they are very nice. All right, we've got to go get propane and then we got to head home. We got Pumpkin at home, so
Before it gets dark.
No, I said he's cool. I love him. Hi, Guy. Oh, he is super big. That is probably the biggest tarantula I've seen out here. We had a tarantula. Our kids did. That's about how big he was. His name was Harry. Yeah, you're a big one. I wish I had something I could put down there to show you the size, but he's really moving out.
It's gonna fall my way for sure.
Yeah, that's a crazy fire.
I have my boots tucked.
That's huge. It's a big fire.
Wait, wasn't this stuff that was left here or no? Where they're cutting trees?
They chop the trees up, and I mean, we've been pretty blessed for the last several years that there's wood here all the time.
Absolutely.
I mean,
and
that first year there was tons of it.
And we've been blessed that Jake was always around sawing up the wood.
Yep. Chuck did all this.
I'll tell you, as cold as it is tonight, that feels good.
Feels great.
Really good.